Guys, let's talk about what is left join and its purpose in SQL Server 2025. See, left join, we can also call it as left outer join. This helps us to get the common records plus what are the records which are left over in the left table. So let me quickly show you in the practical manner. Let's quickly go to the Microsoft Paint. So let's draw a little diagram for this is a table 1 and this is a table 2. Okay, so now in the left join, ideally if you understand here, so this is a left table, so this is a right table. Okay, so in the left join, you get all the records from a left side table plus common records, whatever is matching between these two tables. So let me identify that records here using this. So this is the common records plus what are all the records which are left over in the left side table. So that is nothing but a left outer join or left join in the SQL Server 2025. Let me quickly go to the SQL Server Management Studio and let me run a simple query, select star from employee. So if you see here, so I have around 16 records. Out of the 16 records, so these 16 records are scattered across 20, department number 20, department number 30, and 10. So if you see on the whole 10, 20, 30, and 80 and 90. Okay, so these are all five numbers. So 10, 20, 30, and 80 and 90. If you come to the department table, I have only four departments 10, 20, 30, and 40, but I don't have 80 and 90 departments. Even though 80 and 90 departments are not available in the department table, still I see two employees are tagged to this. Now let me write a left join here. Select star from EMP E left join. So I'm not using outer as well. I can directly write. Okay. DEPT D on E dot DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. Now, so let me run the query. Let me enter here. See, let me run this. I will be getting total 16 records. The reason is these are the 14 are the common records plus the records which are left over in the employee table. So employee table, these two records doesn't have any matching records in the department table. Still, I do get in the result set. The reason is it is a left join. Then what about the values of the right table? The right table columns will be null. So this is about a left join. So if you want to see how many people doesn't have a department number, then you can simply put where d dot department number is null. Then you can see that these two people doesn't have department number tagged, actually proper department number tagged, I mean. So this is the use of the left join. Now let me now guys, let's talk about right join and its purpose as well. In the right join, so it is little similar to the left join. Here you get what are all the common records between the two tables and the records which are left over in the right side table. So let me quickly go to the Microsoft Paint and quickly draw a pictorial representation. So let me take two tables. One is this left side table, the other one is right side table. Okay, this is left side table. So let me write down. So this is left side table, this is right side table. So in the right outer join, in the right join, so I get what are all the common records between these two tables plus what are all the records which are left over in the right side table. I get that as a result. So let me quickly write a query in the SQL Server Management Studio. So this one, if you see here, I have an employee table which contains for 16 records, and these 16 employees are tagged across 10, 20, 30, 80, and 90 departments. Okay. So if I go to the department table, I have a 40 department, but I don't have any employees tagged to the 40 department. Okay. Let me write a right outer join, and I'm keeping department table as a right table. Select star from EMPE right join DPT D on E dot department number equal to d dot department number. Now, so I get 14 records are proper records. I'll get the first 14 records are proper actually. So these 14 records are correctly aligned between these two tables. Okay, plus one record which is left over in the department table. Then what about the values for the left side table? The column, all the columns which belongs to the left side table will be null if you apply right join. So that is the reason why all the 15th record first table columns are null, and the columns which belongs to the right side table has a values. So this is how you have a right join in the query. Now if you want to see how many departments are doesn't have any employees, means you can apply where e dot, this time e dot department number is null. Now you get one department which doesn't have any employees tagged here. That is nothing but a 40, and name of the team is operations. So that's about the right outer join or right join. So that's it. Let's meet.